Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at passing chord. Okay, so today's video we are looking at a song by Nathaniel Bassey. Okay, the song title is Yeshua Hamashiach. Okay, or simply Hamashiach. Okay, so we are looking at chromatic passing chord. Okay, inner voicing that we can use on this particular song. Okay, so like I showed you earlier, I'm gonna break down this particular movement that I just did. I'm singing in the key of C sharp, but I'm playing the key of F. Okay, so with that being said, in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 1. Okay, this helps you to play in other key. Okay, if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so like I said, we are looking at passing chord. Okay, so I pick a portion of this particular song, Yeshua Mashiach. Okay, progression, just in case you don't know. Okay, so the chord progression goes from the 2, then to the 6. All right, then flat 6. All right, then to the 6 back. All right, okay, but here is the case that when I was playing, okay, instead of the flat 6 like this, I did this movement. All right, basically the same chord, but just that I'm doing a different thing or different voicing for it. Okay, and also I was adding additional passing chord to it. Okay, so when I did it, I did this particular movement, then this, then I did the 4. All right, before I did this. All right. Alright, so let me show you what I was doing. I was doing the 2, then I did the 6. Alright, then I moved to the 4, then to flat 6. Alright, alright, from here you can choose to resolve, okay, to the 6. Okay, but we are not concentrating much on the chords that I'm playing. I can basically make stuff up from nowhere. Okay, but that's not what I want to teach you. What I want to teach you is the inner voicing or the chromatic movement I just did. Okay, so that movement. Okay, I'm doing this. Okay, and with this particular movement, okay, finger positioning, okay, is very key and very important. Okay, without finger positioning, you cannot play this particular movement. You'll miss it. Okay, so fingering really matters here. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm doing this. All right. Okay, I know it's confusing at first. Okay, but as I break it down, you initially get it. Okay, so let me break it down simply. Okay, so that whichever level you are, either beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you'll be able to get this particular movement. Okay, so I'm doing this. Okay, so what is that? I'm flipping from the D, the E flat, the E, then back to the E flat, then the D, then C, then C sharp, D, E flat, then E. Alright, so like this. Okay, one more time. Okay, so let's check the left hand, what the left hand is also doing. Okay, so the left hand is doing this, the F, the F sharp, the J, the F sharp back, then the F, then E flat. Okay, then E, then F, then F sharp, then the G. Alright, okay. Alright, so that's what the left hand is doing. Okay, so I've already mentioned the note. Okay, so let me slow it down so that you can get what I'm playing. Okay, so I'm doing this. Okay, one more time. And the right hand is. Okay, so you know when you add both hands, it will be like this. Alright, then this particular chord. We already know this particular chord, okay? The left hand is doing the A, E, right hand G, B flat, C sharp, and E. Alright, basically passing chord to the 6, then to the 6. Alright. Basically, that's what I'm playing. Lion of Judah. Alright, okay, one thing that I want to add, okay, that will help you very much is that practice this particular movement, okay? And when you are practicing, this is the most important thing, okay? Practice with speed, okay? Start slow, then practice with speed, okay? Depending on each drummer or the type of drummer you meet will depend how you play it, okay? So practice with speed, okay? Like this. Alright, practice with speed, okay? Because when you are playing with a drummer and it's playing the rhythm slow, you will have more time to play it. But when you meet another drummer who is running with the drums, you need to run with him if you want to play this particular movement. That's why I'm saying that practice slow, then increase the speed, okay? Just play around with it, okay? I'll see you in another video, okay? Subscribe, more videos like this is coming, okay? Bye.